Are you wanting to scale your business with digital products? I'm Becky Beach, and I've grown $1 million digital product empire that earns me passive income while I sleep, eat, and play. Join me each week as we grow our digital product businesses together. This is the Becky Beach Show. Welcome back to the Becky Beach Show. I'm Becky Beach, and I help entrepreneurs like you create and sell digital products so you can build a business that gives you more freedom and flexibility. If you're trying to grow your online business, but you're struggling to get people to actually buy from you, this episode is for you. One of the biggest challenges digital product sellers face is convincing people to make a purchase, especially when they don't know who you are. It's frustrating when you put in all this work to create something valuable, but potential customers hesitate. They click on your sales page, maybe even read your emails or follow you on social media, but then they don't follow through and buy. Why does this happen? Because they don't fully trust you yet. People don't buy from strangers. They buy from people they feel connected to, people they believe will actually help them. That's why today we're going to be talking about one of the most important principles to marketing and sales, the know, like, and trust factor. By the end of this episode, you'll have a clear understanding of how to build trust with your audience. So when they see your products, they'll feel confident hitting that buy button. Why people need to know, like, and trust you before they buy. When someone is considering making a purchase, they go through a thought process. They ask themselves, who is this person? Can I trust them? Will this product actually help me? If these answers to these questions aren't clear, they may hesitate. They may leave your page, look for alternatives, or even forget about you altogether. But when you focus on building trust first, they will feel confident in their decision. Think about the last time you bought something online, especially from an independent seller or small business. You probably didn't just buy right away. You might have looked at their website, watched a video, read testimonials, or checked out their social media. All of that helps you feel comfortable making the purchase. So how do you create that same experience for your own audience? Let's break it all down. Number one is to share your story and let people get to know you. One of the best ways to build trust is by sharing your personal story. People don't just connect with brands, they connect with people. If you show them who you are, why you started your business, and what your mission is, they'll start to feel like they know you. When I first started selling digital products, I wasn't sure if anyone would buy from me. I didn't have a big following, and I was just a mom trying to create a business from home. But instead of hiding that, I decided to share my journey. I talked about why I wanted to start my business, how I was tired of working my toxic 9-to-5 job that kept me away from my son, and how I wanted to create a life where I could be present for him while also earning an income. When I shared that story, something interesting happened. People started reaching out saying, I relate to this. They saw themselves in my journey, and that made them feel more comfortable buying from me. If you're struggling to make sales, ask yourself, have I shared my story? Have I let my audience see the real person behind my business? Have I built a connection with them beyond just trying to sell? The more people feel like they know you, the more they will trust you. Number two is to offer value first, like live workshops and trainings. Trust is built through experience. People need to see your expertise in action before they're willing to invest in you. One of my favorite ways to do this is by offering free live workshops and trainings. When somebody joins a free training, they get to experience my teaching style, ask me questions, and walk away with valuable knowledge they can use right away. This does two important things. It proves that I know what I'm talking about. It helps people feel confident that if my free content is valuable, my paid products must be even better. Think about it from a customer's perspective. If they never heard of you before, why would they immediately buy a digital product from you? They need a reason to believe in your expertise. A live workshop, a free guide, a helpful email series, these are all ways to build trust before asking for the sale. This approach works because it shifts the dynamic. Instead of you trying to convince them to buy, they naturally want to buy because they've already experienced your value. If you haven't tried this yet, I highly recommend setting up a free training or a live Q&A session. It gives you a chance to interact with your audience, answer their concerns in real time, and create a personal connection that makes selling so much easier. Number three is be consistent and show up regularly. Trust isn't built overnight, it's built over time. If you show up once and then disappear, people won't feel confident buying from you. But if you constantly provide value, whether through email, social media, blog posts, or videos, your audience will start to see you as a reliable source of information. Consistency is key because it keeps you at the top of mind. For example, if someone follows you on Instagram and sees your content regularly, they start to associate your name with your niche. Over time, that builds trust. So when they finally are ready to buy, you're the first person they think of. Here are some simple ways to stay consistent. Send out a weekly email with tips and insights related to your products. Post helpful content on social media that educates your audience. Create short blog posts or videos answering common questions. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages. The more present you are, the more your audience will feel like they know you, and the more likely they are to buy from you when the time comes. So the final thoughts and action steps for you: if you want to convince more people to buy from you, remember these 3 strategies. Number 1 is to share your story so people feel connected to you. Offer free value first through live workshops and free resources. Number 3 is to be consistent so your audience trusts you over time. Building trust takes effort, but it's one of the most powerful ways to grow a successful digital product business. When people know, like, and trust you, selling becomes natural. You won't have to push or beg for sales. Your audience will feel more confident buying from you because they already believe in your value. If you're serious about growing your digital product business and want step-by-step guidance, expert strategies, and a supportive community, the businessbeachclub.com membership is exactly what you need. Running an online digital business can feel overwhelming, especially when you're figuring out how to attract customers, create products that sell, and scale your income. But you don't have to do it alone. Inside the businessbeachclub.com, you'll get access to exclusive trainings, marketing strategies, and live coaching to help you build a profitable digital product business with confidence. As a member, you'll get monthly workshops, done-for-you commercial use templates that you can resell as your own, members-only sales and bundles, and direct access to me for personalized support in our private Facebook group. You'll also be part of a private community of like-minded entrepreneurs who are on the same journey as you, so you never feel stuck or lost. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale, the businessbeachclub.com gives you the tools, knowledge, and support to make it happen. Stop struggling to figure out everything out on your own. Join the businessbeachclub.com and get the guidance you need to turn your digital products into a thriving business. Visit businessbeachclub.com now to sign up and start building the business of your dreams. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you found this episode helpful, be sure to subscribe to the Becky Beach Show so you never miss an episode. Until next time, keep going, keep growing, and keep believing in yourself. You got this! Thanks so much for listening to the Becky Beach Show. Please check out the show notes at beckybeachshow.com and my membership, businessbeachclub.com, to start and scale your own digital product business. Have a great day. See you next time on the Becky Beach Show.